Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry for the lighting. I'm currently sitting in front of my windows. As you all know, I'm using natural lighting, so the lighting will kind of go dark and light. So please excuse that. As you can tell by the title, this is actually another Louis Vuitton unboxing. I know in my last one I said that was the last one. Never say never. It wasn't planned, guys. It really was not planned. So a little story. I was on a wait list for this item since December last year, and I kind of forgot about it because it took so long. I never heard anything from my CA or anything, and a lot of you may know that they are kind of getting rid of their wait list now. So basically when an item comes in, it sells out. So if you happen to be in store and your timing is right, then yeah, you will get the item. There's not really a wait list anymore. So I figured, I keep checking this item on the store, I keep asking my CA as well, nothing is in stock, and so I kind of gave up and I moved on to other things basically. So I was so close to actually getting this pre-loved because it's just so difficult to find, and I was just umming and ahhing if, oh, should I get it pre-loved, should I get it from eBay, I don't know, and I was just trying to find the right one. It was a bit expensive, mind you. It was, I think, over $500, and I wasn't keen on paying over retail price for a pre-loved item because it is in such high demand. So I just sat on it and just left it for a good, how many months now? It's almost a year. I want to say maybe 10 months since I've been on the waiting list. And then yesterday I actually went with my friend because she wanted to go and pick up a strap that wasn't included in a bag that she purchased. So we had to go all the way to the Gold Coast just to do that. My CA contacted me and said that this item was in store and another size of it was in store as well. So I was like, oh my goodness, meant to be. So I was like, and she's actually going away on holidays for a few weeks, so tomorrow would have been her last day. So I wasn't able to come in today because I had stuff going on. So what happened to be yesterday was perfect. And yes, so that's my little story. I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm doing my hair. Ta-da! Yes, I know you guys are probably sick of seeing these videos on my channel. I'm sorry, I really don't know what else to film. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave them down below. That'll be very helpful. And also, if you guys are wondering what's on my lips, I am actually using a Tom Ford lipstick in the color Evan. It is a lip color matte. I really hope it'll focus. Yeah, and it's just such a beautiful nude. It's stunning, and it doesn't dry out your lips. It's so moisturizing and I love it. So yeah, that is in the color Evan, if you're wondering. So moving on to the unboxing. I don't think I told you guys, I actually had to put my Pochette Metis monogram that I got like 2 months ago in repair because the glazing was peeling off. It wasn't cracking like my reverse one, but it was like, so this is the bag, right, and this is the glazing. It's really bad analogy, but bag, glazing, and the glazing was just coming off like this. It was like kind of like that. And so I'll insert some photos here so you guys can get an idea of what I'm talking about. But I was like, why is this happening? Why do I have such bad luck with the Pochette Metis? Like, I don't know, but I'm just so happy. I have the best CA. She went ahead and put it in for priority repair, so I just thought I'm not in a rush to get it back. Even I can wait until she gets back on her holiday. So yes, I will do a video of when that comes back in and I'll show you guys the result. So let's get on to the unboxing. So in the bag, of course, it comes with the proof of purchase. Yes. And inside here is the beautiful orange and blue. Oh my god, my dog just sighed. She's probably sick of my videos too. I'm so sorry, Coco. Yeah, so here's the box. I'll see if I can just kind of slide off the ribbon, but I really don't like untying it because I just, you know. Okay. Oh, yay. Okay, so here's a little card that it usually comes with. Okay, so here is the box, and mind you, this box is bigger than what the item is, so let's go ahead and pop this baby open. Do you guys know? Pause the video and leave your comments down below. Your guesses, I mean. So, hi! Hi! My little baby. Hi, baby. Okay, you go sit down over there. Okay. I'll try and fluff it out so it doesn't look that obvious as to what it is. Okay. Here is the item. Any ideas, guys? So I've been waiting for this for almost a year. Finally! This goes to show that patience is a virtue. Here I am to reveal to you guys my newest LV acquisition, and I really want to say my last this year, please. I know. Kenny, I told you, like, we need to go to Melbourne and go shopping one day, seriously. I'll leave his channel down below, he's absolutely amazing. So anyways, I keep rambling. Okay, so here's the dust bag to reveal. Ta-da! The Toiletry 19. I've waited almost a year for this. So this is a Toiletry 19. I'm sure a lot of you dolls know how it looks and what can fit inside, but I think I'll also include a little clip of what I would put inside and what I would use this for. I'm also excited to get my Pochette Metis back because I want to put this in the middle section of the bag because I know this will fit perfectly in it. So yes, this is the Toiletry 19. They also had a Toiletry 26 in store. The 15, it's some of the CAs said they haven't seen it for years, so I'm so happy I was able to snatch this beauty up. But yeah, anyway, mine is made in Spain, just like my Pochette Metis. Sorry about my nails, I really need to get them filled. How gross is that? This is almost a month. Anyways, so yes, that's what it looks like right there. And of course, this is like the first time, well, it was the first time in store that I actually held it in my hand because it's so hard to find. It's not accessible at all. So there's the inside. Yay. Okay, so I will go ahead and take out these two little. So this one, it just says coated fabric cowhide leather trim and made lining, as you do. There you go. And here is the SKU if you want to go ahead and pause it. Barcode, and I'm pretty sure this little number here, this little serial thing, is the date code, so UB1138. I'll just double check to see if it matches the inside of the bag. So UB1138, so 13th week of 2018. Yep, so it is UB1138. I'm not too sure if you dolls will be able to pick it up. Yeah, no. So this is the actual date code, right? That little number there is a date code, which is, I didn't know that actually included the date code on the little SKU thing, so that's a first for me. But yeah, this is my Toiletry 19 and I'm so excited to use this beautiful thing. I'm planning to use it more so as the catch-all in my Pochette Metis, and also just as a little bag or clutch. Say if I'm using my Pochette Metis and I just quickly need to go in and pay for something, I can just grab this out and it'll have, you know, like my cards, my keys, lip gloss, and I'm good to go. And I can put my phone in here, which I absolutely love, because I was looking at getting the Toiletry 15, but it's just so similar to the mini Pochette that I feel like it's kind of redundant in having two similar items which can't fit my phone in, and I have the iPhone 10. Yeah, I just kind of crossed that off the list, and I just figured I'll just get the bigger size, so at least it's not too big like the 26, but it's just the perfect kind of clutch if you want to go ahead and like take it out. You can just go out and it's not too big, I guess. So yeah, I hope you dolls enjoy. I will quickly go ahead and show you what I'll put in here. So yeah, let's go and show you what I'll put in here. Okay, so right now I kind of put all the things that I wanted to carry in here, and as you can see, it's not too bad. It's not too bulgy as well, and the zip isn't too, I guess, misaligned. So I'll go ahead and give you a bird's eye view of what is in here. So there we go. Okay, so I have a spray. You can definitely downsize and use like a little traveler, but I feel like this is fine. Just my little spray. I probably won't always carry my vlogging camera, but just to give you guys an idea of the size of this thing, I have my vlogging camera, which is the Canon Legria Mini X. So it's a little small kind of compact vlogging camera. Am I in focus? Yeah. So yeah, my car keys with my little key hanging out, and this is pretty stuffed. It has my debit card, my license, and a few keys, and my gym fob to get in my gym. So yeah, this is pretty chunky at the moment, but it can fit. I have my phone, and it's in like a kind of squarish case, so it is pretty bulky in a sense, but it's very slim. And lastly, I have a lip product, which is my Marc Jacobs. I love this thing, like, oh my god. You guys need to go ahead and get this because it is a game changer. Okay, so this is a Marc Jacobs, oh, I forget, it's like the gloss. It's like the lipstick and gloss in one. I forget what it's called. I'll link it down below. But okay, it looks like a gloss, right? But you open it and it's actually like a lipstick. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of gross, I'm so sorry. But it's so glossy, so I'll put some on my lips right now. It just really enhances your lips, and it has like a nice minty tingly feeling too. So I should have put this on ages ago, my bad. But yeah, it just really makes your lips nice and plump looking. And yeah, this is by far, these two, this combination, the Tom Ford Evan lipstick and this on top, is my go-to lip combo at the moment. It's just so nice, and that is basically what I will be carrying in my Toiletry 19, but give or take the camera and my car keys, because I probably won't always put my car keys in here. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoy my little unboxing and what fits inside my Toiletry 19. This has been a long time coming for sure, and I it just goes to show that patience is definitely a virtue. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has subscribed and joined the family. We are slowly growing. Thank you dolls, I love you all so much. And also a massive thank you to my OG babes. You guys are the MVPs, like, no doubt. I love you dolls so much. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that little like button if you enjoyed this video. And please let me know down below what you'd want to see from me, suggestions on video ideas that I can do, because I'm kind of running out. Yeah, I just want to say thank you dolls, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!